welcome back to another technical video. Today I'll be going through your question, answering it, and hoping finding that solution that you're looking for. Guys, remember to stay just a little bit crazy just like me and work through to that resolution. Now let's continue on. And that's it, guys. We've gone through, found the solutions, and hopefully answered your query. If it did, please hit subscribe. I really appreciate it. And until next time, I hope you have a good one. Cheers.